Lily just screamed.
I think you have, today's Wednesday.
No, today's not.
Oh, Thursday.
We have library.
Boo-boo. Tristan, do you want a confetti pancake?
Are you gonna stop that, Mom?
It's gonna stop.
It's not gonna stop. It's because.
You like what Lily's having, Tristan? A confetti pancake?
Lily, that will work.
Yeah, Lily, come on. That won't work at all.
I'll get it.